N8n for real estate. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use N8n in real estate business. So how it can contribute for your business in especially in real estate. So the features of N8n, how it's going to help you. So let's look into this video briefly. So, as you may know, N8n it's a workflow automation platform that lets you connect apps, services, and APIs and AI without any coding involved. So you don't really need to do coding in order to do this. It's ideal for automating like repetitive tasks and data flows in real estate operations. Okay, so there is no code involved. Okay, you just build logics visually with nodes, and you can integrate like hundreds of services like Gmail, Slack, Airtable, spreadsheets, a lot together. And you can implement custom logics, like you can add AI, conditional routing and scheduling and all those things. And it's you have the option to self-host, so it's useful for data privacy and custom deployment. So these are some of the benefits of N8n and how you can implement these in your real estate business, how it's going to help you. We'll just look into this next. So N8n, as you can see, you can use N8n. So if you log into your official website, so just go to N8n and log into the official website, or you can just create a free trial. You can sign up for a free trial for 14 days. So once you get into it, it looks like this. So what it does, it helps you create workflows. So how you can use this in your real estate, you can use it for lead capture, for qualification and routing. So you can automate the moment a lead comes in, so you respond instantly and prioritize the high intent prospects. Okay, so what you can do is you can like create like workflows where a trigger it triggers a form submission especially. So once you log in, click on the create workflow option here. So when you click on the create workflow option here, so here you can start creating the workflow. So for example, you want something to happen on form submissions. So for example, if you click on this at first tab and you want a trigger, all everything it starts with the trigger. So click on trigger, and then what happens, a form submission. So click on it and then customize it. So what happens here, you have to plug in the details, like what needs to, for example, if someone submits a form, you extract lead data and you use AI to score or qualify it, and you update the CRM and notify the agent. So something like that. So this is like a workflow that you can use to automate it with N8n. Okay, apart from these, you can also use it for like property matching and buyer engagements. Like you can like auto match buyer preferences with available properties and deliver curated results instantly. Okay, so like for example, when a lead enters a preference via a form like this, a form, and N8n standardizes like such parameters and then matches against the property database. So you can like, for the database, you can like integrate Airtable or any other apps, and then it sends an email or Slack message with the best fit. So which is pretty actually good. So the buyers get like immediate response with listings tailored to their criteria. Okay, so it saves time from manual matching and reducing delays. So you can set up such workflows here. Okay, you can do that. And also you can like automate like follow-ups. Okay, so you can keep prospects engaged and warm without like manual effort. So for example, you can open like a house sign in, and you just like auto sync it to any CRM, and then trigger a 7-day email or SMS sequence. You can set this up here. So this will like increase the touch points without extra staff effort. Okay, which is pretty good. And then you can also use N8n like for market insights and reporting. So you can generate like property market insights without like manual research. So you can like you can like schedule data scraping from listing websites, for example, from any reports or spreadsheets, and then you can automate the market trend, which summarizes and delivers it to like clients or agents. Okay, so this like it will be helpful for brokers to use this to add value for clients with data driven from local market insights. So that's another way how you can use this, how you can use N8n. You can also keep your CRM system updated automatically and enrich the CRM data. So when you do the workflow, so when you create a workflow from scratch here, so you can like set it up in where you sync new leads to like HubSpot or any tables, and then enrich property values and owner contact information via services. Okay, and then schedule the enrichment for stale leads and stuff. So this will give you a better data accuracy and better targeting and forecasting. And if you need help like setting up the workflow, you can also try the AI here. So you can click on this AI option here, and you can even give instructions to to create the workflows of what you want needs to be done. Then AI can do that for you. So from the templates here, so set up template. So you can use the like AI chat model, okay, and your Gmail, and then click on continue. And what happens here, it will set up the workflows for you, so you don't really have to do much here. So you all you have to do is click on it and then give instructions, you edit it, and then they will do it for you. So it's like a AI agent workflow here, so which is pretty good, because like you don't if you like you're free to create your own workflow, because based on what you want to do. But just for an information, they also have the AI, which you can make use of it if you need, if you don't want to create it by your own from scratch. Okay, and also as I mentioned, so they have these built-in chatbots that understands, N8n has these built-in chatbots that understands and respond to real estate queries across channels. So you can use this, to, like, for example, having an AI chat lead qualification plus appointment scheduling. So you can use this, so the AI will do, and this will respond to the queries and everything, so which is pretty good. So it will be helpful for your team as well. And also, beyond leads and listing, automation via N8n can also handle like operations like scheduling property views with calendar sync, tracking transaction milestones, notifications, and all those things. So it's quite a lot of things that you can make use of it, or you can just set up. Okay, using N8n, you can just set up workflows to get things done much easy and quickly. So like these are the real benefits, where you can save time, it's time saving, and you have like consistency. Like the automation cuts hours of like manual admin work weekly and reduces human error, and you gives you a faster response, so which means like there's a higher conversion responding within minutes rather than hours, significantly improves conversions and stuff. So, and also you have a centralized operation, all lead data, alerts and notification flow through a consistent logic, reducing information issues, so through the N8n logics. Okay, and the system can handle repetitive tasks that let you scale without proportionally increasing any headcount. So you can it can take care of all the repetitive tasks and everything. So basically you can use CRMs like Airtable, Google Sheets, HubSpot, Salesforce, or even any customs APIs to like set up all this stuff. And also for communication like Gmail, Outlook, and for AI you can use Open AI and all those things. So you can basically use all of these applications and everything. When you create the workflow, you can use them, you can integrate them and create the workflows. And that's basically pretty much it is. Hope this information video was helpful.